Today, I will demonstrate user management for DNS applications on our web console of OpenResty Edge. Let's go to the console first. This is our sample deployment of the console. Every user would have their own deployment. First, we go to the DNS page. Since we currently sign in as a super user, we can check the page with all the permissions. Search our sample application, testdns.com. Enter it. As a super user, I have the right permission. So I can add DNS records. Or edit or delete the existing records. Except for DNS records, I can also edit the name servers. Or control user groups which have the permission for this DNS application. We have another tutorial introducing details of those features. Next, let's create an example user group with only read permission for this DNS application. And a normal user putting into this group. Notice that by default, the DNS section is not available for a normal user. Go to Users and Groups section first. Then go to the User Groups page. Here is the list of some groups our sample deployment is using. We have another tutorial introducing user group related features. Click here to create a new group. We name the new group as Test DNS Access. The group is created. And here is the list of permission details, which shows the permission for each page or section. We can see that by default, the DNS section and DNS records page is not available for this group. So we edit the permission to give the read permission. Check this to enable read permission. Save it. Also give the read permission for DNS record. Check this to enable read for DNS records. Again to save it. The user group is ready. Then we go to our sample DNS application and grant the permission to this user group. Again search for the application. Enter it. Go to User Groups tab. Choose Test DNS Access Group to give permission to this group. Save it. Then we go to Users page to create a tester account and put it under this Test DNS Access Group. Then this tester account will be able to see our example DNS application but with read-only permission. Click this button to add a new user. We name it as Jeff Tester. And enter a password. Enter the password again to confirm. Then choose Test DNS Access as this user's group. Save it. The tester user is created. Next we switch the account. Log out from current account. Sign in with the name and password we just set. Enter the name. Enter the password. Click to log in. Okay, we are now signing in as a normal user. We can see the hint notifying that the normal user doesn't have the permission to view users and user groups section, which is as expected. We can go to DNS section. Here we see this tester user account can only see the DNS applications with permission granted to the group the user belongs to. And also adding, editing and deleting buttons for DNS application are all hidden on this page. If we enter the DNS application, we can see that this tester user can only read all the information. The tester user cannot add, edit or remove DNS records. There are no buttons available. If we go to Authoritative Servers tab, all the configuration is also read-only. It is what I would like to demonstrate today. If you like this video, please follow us on YouTube. Thank you.